In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a password from a PowerPoint document. If you've ever found yourself locked out of a presentation because of a forgotten password, or simply want to make the file more accessible, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can quickly remove any passwords and regain full access to your presentations. Let's begin by launching the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. This is typically done by clicking on its icon found on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Opening the application will take you to the main screen from where we can start working on the document at hand. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to locate your file. Navigate to the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, a menu that provides options related to file management. It's here that you can open an existing document, create a new one, or work with your current file. After clicking on File, shift your focus slightly downward and select the Info tab from the menu on the left hand side. The Info section is where you can view key details about your document, and it's also the place where you can change security settings like passwords. In the Info section, you will notice an option labelled Protect Presentation. By clicking on this option, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides several choices for restricting access or editing rights to your presentation. We're interested in removing a password, so let's proceed to the next crucial step. Within the drop-down list under Protect Presentation, find and click on the option that mentions passwords, which might be worded as Encrypt with Password. When you select this, a dialog box appears prompting you to enter the current password to decrypt the document. Input the correct password and press OK. It's important to mention that without the existing password, this method won't work, as this ensures the security of your document. Assuming you have managed to enter the password correctly, the password for your presentation is now removed. You'll want to be sure to save your document without the password settings to ensure it is no longer required for future access. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to remove the password from your PowerPoint document. This not only makes it easier for you to access, but also allows you to share it more freely with colleagues or friends. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.